Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data and preparing the phone. Backup photos and settings, then enable developer options so you can see detailed battery info. Use the original charger and cable. Inconsistent chargers distort calibration. Make sure the battery is between roughly 40 and 60% before you begin. This gives room for a full discharge and full charge cycle. Once done, note current battery percent in Settings Battery so you can compare after recalibration. You now perform the core calibration. Discharge the phone completely until it shuts off. Keep Wi-Fi and background sync off to drain steadily. You can play video or run a drain test app for a predictable discharge. Once it dies, charge uninterrupted to 100% using the original charger. Before the full charge, boot into recovery and wipe the cache partition. This clears stale system data that skews battery stats. If numbers still odd, reboot into safe mode and remove rogue apps that drain power. You finish by charging the phone to 100% uninterrupted, then leave it plugged for another 1 to 2 hours so the meter settles. Reboot the device and check Settings Battery to verify the percentage and usage graph. You should see smoother reporting. If readings still fluctuate wildly, perform a factory reset as a last software step, but make sure your backup is current. Troubleshooting tip. If the phone powers off unexpectedly or numbers jump, suspect a failing battery and consult a service center for diagnostic or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.